If you're a STEM student or educator, you may want to be able to create your own customized periodic tables. Here's how to do it in PowerPoint. The conventional periodic table spans 18 columns and 9 rows if we include both F-block rows of lanthanides and actinides. So on the Design ribbon, select Custom Size from the Slide Size menu and change it to 18 inches by 9 inches. Next, make a square by selecting the rectangle from the Shapes menu in the Home ribbon. Then set its dimensions to 1 inch height and 1 inch width. Let's make the fill color white. Double-click inside the square to enter text editing. Begin typing 1 for the atomic number of hydrogen, press Enter, then capital H, press Enter, then 1.01 for its atomic weight, for example, or whatever quantities you want to include in each cell. Notice that the text is normally white, so change the text color to black. Spend some time formatting the text in the cell, as this will be the template format for all the cells in the periodic table. Next, copy the cell 17 times. Select all. Then select Distribute horizontally across the slide from the Align menu. Select Align Top. Then group them with Ctrl G. And make 8 copies of the group. Select all, then distribute vertically, and align left. Then press Ctrl-Shift-G to ungroup all the cells. Highlight the first 2 columns and 7 rows for the S-block elements and group them. Delete the second cell because you probably want helium to the far right. Highlight and delete the top row except for the helium cell. Change the helium cell if you like. Highlight and delete the second and third row to leave 6 columns on the right for the P block. Now the bottom 2 rows are lanthanide and actinide series of the extended table. We need to leave 15 columns and already have 18. So let's remove 2 columns on the left and 1 column on the right. Then highlight these 2 rows and group them for the F block. Highlight the 6 columns on the right and group them for the P block. And highlight the D block cells and group them as well. You may want to label the lanthanide and actinide series. Then delete the corresponding 2 cells from the D block. You may also want to add a title to the table. And you might like to separate the table by blocks. Finally, all that remains is to update all the text in the cells with information for each element.